How to save photos in Google Drive. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn how we can just save photos in Google Drive iOS. So it is pretty quick and easy. Let's get started without wasting our time. All we have to do is just open up our drive, and after that you have to just click on the plus icon right here. And now one more method is to just click on upload, which actually will be choose a file from your photos and videos, which is basically your camera roll, and allow it to choose and select a lot of different photos you have took beforehand and successfully uploaded them on Google Drive. Like I just want to upload this one photo on my Google Drive, and you can see it's been uploading. And you can see it's been uploaded right here below. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you, and if you do like our video, please share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.